Hi everyone, this is Test and Comparison, and today I got a parcel. Let's open it, unbox it quick faster, and let's see what's inside. This is ELEPHONE P8, ELEPHONE P8, 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, Helio P25 processor. And this processor is quite energy saving. It's like a power efficient processor, and 3600 milliamp battery I think is a quite enough. 5.5 inch display, quite look nice. You can see here the build quality looks very nice. This processor Sony Ericsson also using in their mid-range mobiles, so that's why I believe this processor is nice. And you can see the build quality, the backside, the finishing is very nice. It's P8 ELEPHONE. If you don't have budget for buy Galaxy S8 or Galaxy S9, I think I can recommend you can buy under $150 budget this mobile. And let's see what's inside more. I think there's a case and charging power charger is inside. Let's see. Nice user manual, plastic case, silicone, and there's a pin for SIM card. Quite look nice, soft. There's a power cable, charging cable, data cable, micro USB. There's a power adapter, 5 volt, 2 amp. Yeah. Standard. Let's power on the phone and see how it's work. ELEPHONE logo on the start. The finishing I feel looks nice in the hand and quite heavy because of big battery. 21 megapixel camera, rear 16 megapixel front camera. I think is quite good. I will put some sample after this unboxing in the last, some pictures and sample videos. And very nice screen, on, turn on, and you can see, you can feel the quality. Let's on the camera and see how it's look like. Smooth, very smooth, you can feel. Wow. The brightness of the camera, you can see the colors. Even the table look exactly the white color. Even my camera slightly shows yellowish but on the camera and the mobiles look very white. There is some basic feature and functions of the camera. Here is some features, let's see. This is a fine, is a full HD, and this is a 4K, 2K, 4K option, I think. Normal mode. There's option for raw image, so you can take a raw footage. 4 megapixel to 21 megapixel. Autofocus sound, shutter sound option, you can disable it. Here's a different lenses you can choose. This feature is quite nice. You can choose the sharpness, you can choose the saturation, contrast. So there's a quite nice option if you see deeply. Some mobiles don't have this kind of options. But the camera looks very nice. The color is so white on the display of camera. This looks smooth. So there's the quick and fast review. Nothing special. Let's check the version here. Dual SIM card. Here is all the feature you can see. Stock Android experience. Dura Speed is for app managing. Nice function. You can see here. Okay, let's check the version. What version? There's a gesture. Languages. I want to show you languages. I don't know what country you are, so you should to know. Is the languages supported to your countries? It's very important. So here is some mention more. Yeah, let's see the language. If you want to add some language, you can see here. So let's see the version. What version of the phone? You can see here is P8 and Android 7 Nugget. So I think it's quite nice. Budget phone, very smooth and nice in the hand. Colors, the display looks very nice. Camera look nice. So here I want to show you, this is down is only one option. You have micro USB charging. There's a speaker on the side. On the back side there's optional extra button for silent key. Down is volume button, and this side is dual SIM card, or you can use one SIM card and one memory card. So here is the P8 ELEPHONE budget mobile. So here's some footage.